Hey there, folks! Today we're diving into the world of cooking oils. Now you might be thinking, oil is oil, right? Wrong. Choosing the right cooking oil is like choosing the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a whisk to chop vegetables, would you? We're gonna break down the top 5 best cooking oils for healthy living. We're talking about oils that can stand up to the heat without turning into a chemical nightmare. Because let's face it, nobody wants a side of free radicals with their dinner. So grab your spatulas, put on your chef hats, and get ready to learn about the oils that will make your taste buds sing. First up, we've got coconut oil, our tropical contender. This versatile oil is a staple in many kitchens around the world, and for good reason. This oil is extracted from the meat of mature coconuts. And let me tell you, it's got some serious superpowers. From cooking to skincare, coconut oil is a true multitasker. Now, coconut oil is solid at room temperature, kind of like shortening. This unique property makes it a great substitute in baking recipes that call for solid fats. That's because it's packed with saturated fat. But don't let that scare you off just yet. But hold on. Before you run for the hills, remember that not all saturated fats are created equal. Coconut oil's fats are special. Coconut oil is made up mostly of medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These MCTs are a game changer in the world of fats. These guys are metabolized differently than the long-chain triglycerides found in other saturated fats. They are absorbed quickly and used as a rapid source of energy. They're like the Usain Bolt of the fat world, quickly converted into energy instead of being stored as flab. This makes them a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. But the real beauty of coconut oil is its high smoke point. This means it can withstand high temperatures without breaking down. See, when oils are heated past their smoke point, they start to break down and release all sorts of nasty compounds. This can affect the taste and healthiness of your food. We're talking free radicals, aldehydes, the works. These compounds are not something you want in your meals. Not exactly the kind of party you want happening in your pan. Burnt food and harmful compounds are a no-go. Coconut oil laughs in the face of high heat with a smoke point around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it incredibly versatile in the kitchen. That makes it perfect for stir-frying, baking, and even deep-frying. You can use it in a variety of dishes without worrying about it breaking down. Plus, it adds a subtle sweetness and coconutty aroma to your dishes. This can elevate the flavor profile of your meals. Think of it as a mini vacation for your taste buds without the sunburn or the overpriced cocktails. It's a little taste of the tropics right in your kitchen. Next up, we've got olive oil, the Mediterranean superstar. This golden elixir has been cherished for thousands of years, not just for its rich flavor, but also for its incredible health benefits. This oil, pressed from olives, has been a culinary staple for centuries, and for good reason. It's a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is often hailed as one of the healthiest diets in the world. Olive oil is what we call a monounsaturated fat, and it's full of antioxidants, those little superheroes that fight off cell damage. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Think of it as a shield against the ravages of time, or at least the ravages of a bad diet. Incorporating olive oil into your meals can be a delicious way to boost your overall health. Now, there are a few different grades of olive oil, but the one you want to befriend is extra virgin olive oil. This is the highest quality you can get, and it's packed with flavor and nutrients. It's the least processed, meaning it retains more of its natural flavor and nutrients. Extra virgin olive oil is cold pressed, which helps preserve its beneficial properties. But here's the catch with olive oil. It's got a lower smoke point than coconut oil, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This means it can start to smoke and break down at lower temperatures. That means it's best for low to medium heat cooking, like sautéing, baking, and making salad dressings. It's perfect for drizzling over salads, dipping bread, or even finishing a dish with a burst of flavor. Don't go cranking up the heat too high, or you'll end up with a smoky mess in a kitchen that smells like burnt popcorn. High heat can destroy the delicate flavors and health benefits of the oil. Trust me, not a good look. So keep the heat low and let olive oil work its magic in your kitchen. All right, folks, let's talk about butter. Yes, that creamy, dreamy delight that makes everything taste better. From the first bite of your morning toast to the last lick of your evening dessert, butter is there to elevate the experience. Now, I know what you're thinking. Butter? But isn't that, bad for you? Well, like most things in life, it's all about moderation. enjoying butter in reasonable amounts can be part of a balanced diet. Butter does have saturated fat, but it also contains vitamins A, E, and K too. These vitamins are essential for maintaining good health, supporting vision, skin, and bone health. Plus, let's be honest, a little bit of what you fancy does you good, right? Butter can bring joy and satisfaction to your meals. And when it comes to cooking, butter is a workhorse. Its versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. It's got a relatively high smoke point, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a variety of cooking methods. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or baking, butter can handle the heat. Use it to sauté vegetables, sear a juicy steak, or add a velvety richness to sauces. Its ability to enhance flavors is unparalleled. And don't even get me started on the wonders of baking with butter. Cookies, cakes, pastries, butter makes them all sing. The texture and flavor it imparts are simply irreplaceable. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Moderation is key to enjoying butter without overindulging. Too much butter and you'll be singing a different tune, probably one involving your cardiologist. So, savor it wisely and enjoy the rich, creamy goodness it brings to your culinary creations. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lard? Isn't that like something my grandmother used? Well, get ready for a history lesson because lard is making a comeback. Lard is rendered pig fat, and before the days of vegetable oils, it was the go-to cooking fat for generations. And for good reason. Lard is incredibly versatile and has a high smoke point, around 370 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it can handle the heat, making it perfect for frying, sautéing, and baking. Think crispy fried chicken, flaky pie crusts, and perfectly golden brown roasted potatoes. Now, lard does have a higher saturated fat content than some of the other oils on our list, but it's also lower in unhealthy polyunsaturated fats, which are more prone to oxidation and inflammation. So don't be afraid to give lard a try. Your taste buds and your grandmother will thank you. Last but not least, we have duck fat, the culinary world's best-kept secret. This luxurious fat, rendered from the fat of ducks, is prized for its rich, savory flavor and incredible versatility. Duck fat is high in monounsaturated fats similar to olive oil, but it also contains a good amount of saturated fat, giving it a high smoke point of around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it perfect for roasting, frying, and confit, a classic French cooking technique that involves slowly poaching meat in fat. Imagine crispy roasted potatoes with a golden brown crust, succulent duck confit that melts in your mouth, or even popcorn popped in duck fat for an extra layer of flavor. Duck fat does tend to be a bit pricier than other cooking fats, but a little goes a long way. Think of it as an investment in flavor and in your culinary street cred. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 best cooking oils for healthy living. Remember, steer clear of those vegetable and seed oils that oxidize and form aldehydes like methanol, formaldehyde, ethanol, and acetaldehyde. Stick with these healthier options: coconut oil, olive oil, butter, lard, and duck fat, and your taste buds and your body will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty tips. Happy cooking!